Yes, y'all are.
Hey, y'all.
She saved you, even though she gobbled them up, she saved you a sour plum from what we did the other day.
Oh.
Have you ever had a sour plum before?
Mm-mm. What?
You got a sour plum right here with your name on it.
Oh, my.
Yeah, she was eating. Just one after another. Do you still have that little raggedy jujube? You ate it? We did a taste test and she's like, ooh. And then she took another bite. She was like, oh.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. And then she ate the last one.
Make up your mind.
But she always does that.
Oh.
Like those little oranges that y'all like.
Yeah.
The little teeny sour ones.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. And he eat them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. After, remember what I said? So you like this, and you gonna eat some more? And she walked past the cameras like, no. And I said, no means yes in Portuguese. And then later on, I had them in the house, and she's eating one after another. I'm surprised she ain't go out there and get them off the tree.
Yeah.
It's a bunch of them out there on the tree.
Yeah, acquire a taste for them, right?
Yeah, but she always do that. Always. Right, so here's yours right here.
That's nice.
Yep. Come on. Be a sport. Might as well. Hey.
Oh, really? I can't move.
Hey.
I can't move. Come on. Oh. It's hard.
Yeah, it has a crunch like an apple.
Now, what is it?
This is a sour plum.
How plums supposed to be in this?
It's a Chinese plum.
They don't like sweet, huh?
It's not sweet? Well, your face ain't bent up, so it ain't too sour.
No, it's not sour.
It's not sour?
Uh-uh.
Oh, wow. Okay. Someone was like, oh, this is sour. And then came back and was eating the rest of them.
She likes sour.
Must be. So what do you give it?
I don't find another word in English to describe, so I
Tart.
think sour.
Tart.
Tart.
Yeah, tart.
Tart.
So it's sour, tart, and I think those are the only two.
Is it similar or?
Bitter. It's not bitter. So that's not
No.
the word for it. So what do you give it on 1 to 10? You still eating, so it must be pretty good.
It's okay.
Yeah, I like it. After taste better. Yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna buy some more for her. I mean, she sat up there and
Ate the whole thing.
all of them. It was like a handful of them.
It's supposed to be that hard? Okay. But I guess you can juice them.
No, it's too many. It's too small.
Too small?
You have to cut, and it's a lot of work. So what do you give it?
Oh, no, I guess I'll give it a 5.
Okay, I think I gave it a 3.
You would. All right, what's next?
I guess we can. Could you bring me a knife, please? We can try the apricot.
Okay.
Since I have my 2 guinea pigs here. You know, that's one of the trees I'm growing, right?
No.
Do you remember the little 4 things we put up real high? The nets to cover them?
Yeah.
That's an apricot tree.
No. My apricot tree died.
You have one?
You gave me one. It died.
Knife?
What? Nice.
Killed the apricot tree, I got
It
you.
started off good, then all of a sudden it died.
Okay, we got an apricot taste test.
It's juicy.
All right. Off to a good start. And you said you had one of these when you was little? Oh, no, you had the persimmon.
Okay, it's not bad. It's not sweet.
It's not sweet?
Well, maybe because I have this other little cherry thing first.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, nice and juicy.
You might as well come in here and get some of this. Number one guinea pig.
Okay. Let me try. Thank you. I like it. It's not so sweet. If it was more sweet, it would be better. But
Well, it's not going to get any sweeter because it's been in the refrigerator for a week. So,
soft. Excuse me, I'm cooking.
no, what's your number before you? What's your number?
My number? The onion.
1 to 10.
For me, 10. No, 10 no. 8.
8?
8?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I give it about the same. It's not bad.
You give it an 8 too?
It's not bad.
All right, I know I'm not going to like it. Let me try. I've never had apricot before,
You've had the juice.
but I had the juice.
Once your face been up, you give it a 1.
2 8s, and I'm predicting a 5 or lower.
I knew it.
5.
Oh, come on.
I don't know what it smells like. And y'all ate the skin, right?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm not a big fan of skin, but we'll see.
but it's tender.
I don't like the outside already.
Oh. Come on.
Okay, outside is fuzzy. I don't like fuzzy.
Well, yes it is.
See, y'all just.
It's, at first I thought it was like a peach. Because it's fuzzy.
If I saw this in the store,
Oh, come on.
nope. There's no way I would buy this again.
Yeah, but you can juice it.
Oh, you have to juice it with lime, and you have to put so much in it. It actually has no taste. It's like real weak.
It is probably because maybe you should put it in a brown paper bag and let it ripen that way instead of putting it in the refrigerator.
For me, I'm gonna give this a 2.
2?
I knew
A 2.
it. I knew it.
I was expecting sweet.
Well,
It's bland. The taste is bland. I can barely taste it. So for me, that'll be a no. If I saw this in the grocery store, I walk by like this. I wouldn't even stop. I would actually speed up.
oh, come on.
I would speed up. My car, I probably would wind up hitting someone
No.
because I sped up. Oh, it's a no for me. All right, you about to try the persimmon?
It's awfully soft.
2 and 1. Now, we had this yesterday.
Oh, what's it sweet?
You got to see for yourself. Now, you know with the astringent ones that you said that you ate when you was little, so you can talk funny?
Yeah.
If you let that sit out until it turns like jelly, then it's sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, you already knew that.
Yeah. So we were greedy kids. We wanted it. Right away.
That's real soft. That's way softer than the last one, the one we had yesterday.
I like persimmon.
You do? Okay.
10.
10?
I like persimmon.
Ah, she gives it a 10.
Yeah.
I think I gave it an 8.
Okay.
I love this fruit.
All right, what'd you give it?
This is kaki.
Yeah, kaki.
Kaki.
Mm-hmm. This is kaki food. Food. What did I say?
Fuyu.
Fuyu. Yeah, kaki fuyu.
Mm-hmm.
And you know who else likes kaki?
Really?
Mm-hmm. Right? He loves that stuff. I'm surprised he ain't barking for any.
That is.
Yeah.
Where is he? Is he in here? Is he under the table?
Here.
I don't see him. Up there.
Okay. Yeah, usually he smell it and he just starts singing for it.
Singing.
Let's see. You gonna make a friend.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give him a little piece of that. I think he's gonna give it a 10. Come here. Ain't that crazy?
Now it's big friend.
Now he your buddy. Now
Look at that.
I know. Now you got to wash it.
Oh.
He your buddy now.
Oh,
That's just a clean that doesn't sanitize. Because unless it smell like alcohol.
I'll wash.
Well, she can still use it and then wash since you pulled it out.
yeah.
Yeah.
Don't want no doggy germs on her.
No, baby.
Doggy slobber.
Oh, huh.
That bread should be done.